Okay, time to take a look at the VEVOR electric chainsaw sharpener. So we can see this is a standard rotary tool. Looks like we've got a hanging hook right here. If we want to, we can throw that on the wall. Got our on-off switch on the back, dial for the speed, and then we got a port on both sides for the brushes. We got our lock for the chuck, so we can spin that thing off. We don't have to worry about that thing spinning. So we got our alignment adapter. You can see on there it says 25, 30, 35 degrees. And we can use that to measure out the cut that we want on that blade. It actually comes with 4 diamond wheels, which is kind of cool. So they are different sizes. Looks like we got 2 of the largest size, and then we got one that's a little bit smaller than that, and then a tiny one. So it's great if you got a bunch of different size teeth. And this is kind of cool. We actually got a gauge to measure that out, and then we've got 2 wrenches so we can lock that chuck down. So I will just drop that into the chuck and give that a spin with the wrench to make sure it's not going anywhere. So surprisingly, it's not that loud. Cool. Even turned all the way up to 6, it does not produce a lot of noise, which is excellent. Cool, nothing to it. So yeah, overall, that was a very nice tool.